We've got something new to take a look at. Stick around. Everybody, welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. We finally did it. We made the purchase. I did not end up buying from Campers NRV, and that's for a simple reason. For my first camper, I don't feel good about buying something brand new. So what I ended up doing here, let me turn the camera back towards me. What I ended up doing is start looking on Facebook Marketplace for a used camper. Gently used, something, you know, if I tore it up, it's not gonna be that big of a deal. And that's what we've got here. This is an older model, but this is a 1998 Starcraft Constellation. And purchased it on Friday and went and picked it up yesterday. But I think I've got a decent job, got it set up. I brought it home, pressure washed it. Shout out to U-Haul on Alcoa Highway. Got this hitch installed on the back of my truck. I hadn't ever had a hitch put on. So we did that, and they did a good job on it, not too terribly priced. So, the gimbal's a little shaky for some reason. I don't know why we're leaning. Let me change modes here. There we go. So, this is it. Pressure washed it. You know, you can still see some from stickers and stuff that had been on it over the years. It had a really cool United States map that you could fill in states as you visited them with the camper, but unfortunately it was too far gone. But pretty good, decent shape for as old as it is. We're talking 27 years old as of this filming. But this will be my home for the 2026 HamShackTV HamFest tour. And who knows who that's going to be fueled by yet. We'll see. We're still trying to work a deal with some folks. But got the wheel chocks put in, all that good stuff. Let me take y'all inside and let you have a good look at it. I'm using the new gimbal today, folks. I hope it looks okay. And here we are. This is the inside of it. Me and my daughter Charlotte slept in it last night just to try it out and see how it works out. But I got a full size over here, or twin, I'm not sure what you call it. But works for kids. We do have lights that work up here, and then over on this side, this, and pardon the bed, it's just kind of threw together this morning whenever I was we had to leave for church. But we've got another light right here, and that works as well. And so, not too terribly bad. It's pretty comfortable. And that's a king size bed over there. And up front here we have a nice little galley, which can fold out to be another bed. There's nice storage up and under it. Then on this side, I'm not going to open this up because it's quite a chore, but you have a shower and a toilet underneath that panel right there. Got a little foldable table here so you can eat inside if you want to. This is my TV that was already in, or that I already had, that I stuck in here. So I don't know why the camera keeps getting out of focus, but that's okay. So, you know, not too bad. For what I do with the HamShackTV HamFest tour, this will suit me just fine. It does have good air conditioning. You can hear it come to life up there. It's good cold air. And then down below has a refrigerator and a furnace, water pump, all that good stuff. This is a cooktop, and it's assembled to where it can go outside or inside. There's propane connections on both the inside and outside. Got a sink here, and you know, it's not going to be perfect condition. It's older. It's 27 years old, but you know what? It'll do the job for what I need. So anyway, guys, there's a few things that I want to improve on this. One thing that I do want to improve for sure is I want to put some magnets on the door, on the cabinets. That way those cabinets stay open a lot easier. Or stay closed, I should say. I was having a hard time getting them closed yesterday. But, and then want to change out these lights up here for LEDs. More efficient, that kind of thing. And then, let me show you the jack mechanism. So you see these stabilizers right here. I'm not a fan of those stabilizers. All right, so again, these stabilizers down here, you can see they're just not the greatest. I don't understand these. I don't understand how you're able to make force with them like that, to be able to have a strong, sturdy connection with the ground. But I'm gonna look at maybe replacing those with some scissor jacks. And then yeah, so, you know, for my first camper, this isn't bad. This should suffice just fine. So we will continue to do some work. Thinking about a camping channel. Don't know if I'm going to be doing enough camping to justify full-time. Don't know if I can justify enough camping to maybe do a full-time YouTube channel about camping, but nonetheless, I do want to share my camping experiences with you guys, especially those of you that aren't used to camping. So look for that to come down the pike, possibly. Definitely want to try to diversify, or maybe I'll just keep it right here on HamShackTV. I don't know. We'll see. Guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. 73s. AA4WX WSCB 693.